Welcome to Improve Instantly. In today's video, we're diving into prioritization techniques for productivity. Whether you're aiming to enhance your efficiency, streamline your workflow, or make more impactful decisions, this video will provide you with the tools and insights you need to succeed. We're here to help you overcome the common challenges related to prioritization and productivity with practical, actionable advice. Stay tuned till the end for a quick actionable cheat sheet on prioritization techniques for productivity. Why this topic matters. Understanding prioritization techniques for productivity is crucial for optimizing how you manage tasks and achieve your goals. Many people struggle with prioritization, which can lead to procrastination, missed deadlines, and decreased output. For example, studies show that using effective prioritization techniques can increase productivity by up to 25%. By focusing on these techniques, you can enhance your workflow, make better decisions, and achieve your objectives more efficiently. This section will explore why addressing these issues is essential and how it can lead to significant positive changes in your productivity. Effective prioritization is not just about managing your to-do list. It's about making strategic decisions that align with your goals and improve your overall efficiency. For instance, mastering prioritization techniques can help you focus on high-value tasks, reduce stress, and boost your performance. Let's dive deeper into why mastering these techniques is so vital. 8 Essential Prioritization Techniques for Productivity. Technique 1. The Eisenhower Matrix. This technique helps you categorize tasks into 4 quadrants based on urgency and importance. Focus on tasks that are both urgent and important, delegate tasks that are important but not urgent, schedule tasks that are urgent but not important, and eliminate tasks that are neither urgent nor important. Technique 2. Abcd Method. Assign each task a letter, A for the highest priority, B for the next, and so on. Prioritize tasks that are marked with an A and tackle them first, then move on to B and C tasks. Technique 3. Pareto Principle, 80-20th Rule. Identify the 20% of tasks that will yield 80% of the results. Focus on these high-impact tasks to maximize your productivity. Technique 4. Time blocking. Allocate specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities. This technique helps you concentrate on one task at a time and avoid multitasking, which can reduce efficiency. Technique 5. Pomodoro Technique. Break your work into 25-minute intervals, Pomodoros, followed by a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break. This method helps maintain focus and productivity while preventing burnout. Technique 6. Task batching. Group similar tasks together and complete them in a single block of time. For example, batch all your email responses or administrative tasks into one session to improve efficiency. Technique 7. Eisenhower Decision Matrix. A variation of the Eisenhower Matrix, this technique involves making decisions about tasks based on their impact and effort required. Prioritize tasks that offer the most benefit with the least effort. Technique 8. Kanban Method. Visualize your tasks using a Kanban board, dividing them into categories such as to do, in progress, and done. This method helps you track progress and prioritize tasks effectively. Overcoming common challenges. Even with the best techniques, challenges can arise. Common obstacles include procrastination, unexpected interruptions, and difficulty determining task value. For example, An urgent but low-priority task might disrupt your focus on more important work. To tackle these, use techniques like time blocking to dedicate specific periods to high-priority tasks and incorporate buffer times for unexpected issues. Addressing these challenges head-on will ensure you make consistent progress and maintain productivity. Overcoming mental barriers is also crucial. You might face resistance to prioritizing tasks or feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of work. Strategies like setting clear milestones, seeking support from colleagues, and maintaining a positive mindset can help you stay focused and productive. Quick actionable cheat sheet: prioritization techniques for productivity. The Eisenhower matrix: categorize tasks by urgency and importance. Absidy method: prioritize tasks from A to E. Pareto principle: 80-20 rule: focus on tasks that yield the most results. Time blocking: allocate specific times for different tasks. Pomodoro technique: work in 25-minute intervals with breaks. Task batching: group similar tasks together. Eisenhower decision matrix: make decisions based on impact and effort. Kanban method: visualize tasks on a Kanban board. Conclusion. To wrap up, remember that prioritization techniques for productivity is all about making strategic decisions that enhance your efficiency and effectiveness. Incorporate these techniques into your routine to see real improvements in your productivity and decision-making. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.